May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I'd like to mention of interlocutory application, Lordship, for extension of entry model, Lordship. Can it be on, Lordship, day after tomorrow, Lordship?
All right.
Obligation.
May I please, Lordship? May I play for listing of an interlocutory application, Lordship, for correction, Lordship. Criminal case number has been wrongly recorded, Lordship.
Which
Yeah.
bench?
Lordship, this bench, Lordship.
My brother is also there.
Lordship. There is a direction for appearance.
My learned brother is also there in the bench.
No, Lordship.
Then you have to put it in the registry.
Registry. Registry.
Yes.
Keep your place.
Now, please, Your Lordship. For listing of an IF for extension of interim order, Lordship. Can you date for tomorrow, Lordship? Obliged.
May I please, Lordship? I will to mention item number 8. Kindly pass over the matter today and after 2 weeks.
You are for the petitioner
Yes.
and the pair of one counsel for the petitioner. This matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks. List accordingly.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 10. We are filing an additional affidavit today due to certain facts were left out.
You are Mr.
A Talukdar.
Mr. A. Talukdar and counsel for the petitioner submit that an additional affidavit on behalf of the petitioner is being filed during the course of the day. Stop. As such, a request has been made to post this matter again in the next week.
Lord, kindly on Wednesday if possible, Lordship.
When view of the pair made by the petitioner's counsel. Sorry,
On 17th if possible, Lordship. 17th day after tomorrow, Lordship.
you will file today 17th the one listing
We'll bring it on record, Lordship.
next week now on 17th. In view of the prayer made by the petitioner's counsel, registered to list the matter on 17th. 17/7/2024 along with the additional affidavit.
Highly obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention for item 38. In this very matter, the main engaged counsel, Mr. Alok Nath, has expired, and as such, there is no contact with the petitioner.
Item number,
38.
who has expired?
Alok Nath, the main engaged counsel. And as such, we have no contact with the petitioner.
Your name, please.
Kilitishi.
Ms. Lorenzo, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the earlier engaged counsel in this case has expired and thereafter there is no contact with the petitioner as such, full stop, as such. A request has been made to adjourn this matter for 6 weeks so as to enable her to obtain instruction. Considering the ground on which the prayer is made, the same stands allowed. Let this matter be listed again after 6 weeks.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship, I'm praying for listing of a pending date petition, Lordships. Maybe any date this week, Lordships.
No, next week. Next week.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 43 for adjournment, Lordship.
43.
43.
You are for whom? You are for? You are
For-
appearing for?
Oh, I'm appearing behalf of R.S. Chauhan.
Why you want adjournment?
My senior is not here, Lordship, after this teaching.
43, a prayer for adjournment has been made in this case on the ground that the arguing counsel is not available. Since the prayer is not opposed, same stands allowed, list accordingly. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 2, Lordship. Lordship, kindly agenda go forward.
Item number 2.
Yes, Lordship.
Why you want adjournment?
Lordship, actually, Lordship, I have misplaced the file.
You
Lordship.
wait, let the matter be called up. Yes. Pass on.
My lord, I pray for listing of a habeas corpus matter, my lord. If possible, tomorrow or day after, my lord.
Monday.
Monday,
Monday.
my lord, in this case, there is a problem, my lord.
Hmm.
Earlier occasions, my lord, this case was listed before the single bench and it was wrongly listed, my lord.
Hmm.
And my lord, notice were issued, my lord, NCB has also filed their affidavit that I'm informing this honorable court, but habeas corpus matter has to be taken up by this bench.
No, no, then that will come before the bench. When did you file the writ petition?
Writ petition filed, my lord, date and 10/4/2024. And my lord, thereafter it came up for, I think, 3 or 4 occasions. Notices were issued and the NCB have filed their affidavit also.
We can give you on Monday, 22nd.
Monday, my lord.
Yes.
Monday.
Daily list for motion item 1.
Anybody is appearing? None appears for the writ petitioner when the matter is called up. Mr. G Sharma, Leonard G Assam, Mr. R Ali, Leonard SCECI. Who else is there? Mr. UK Goswami, Leonard CGC, serially available. And you are for? And you are for?
I'm for standing council FT and border matters. Commissioner.
G Sharma, SC, FT and border matter, then Mr. R Talunga, G Assam, are present. Since the petitioner's counsel is absent today, this matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks. Interim order passed earlier to conduct.
Item 2.
Oh, at a line at court, it appears that notice has already been issued in this case, but the matter has been wrongly listed for motion. The council the registry to therefore verify and list the matter again after 2 weeks in the appropriate column. Yes, what do you want?
Lordship, can I adjourn the matter?
A prayer for adjournment has been made in this case. For how long? How long?
Next week, Lordship.
For 2 weeks, on the ground that the RBN council is unavailable. So and so eligible are present on behalf of the state, on behalf of the respondent, and do not have any objection if the prayer is allowed. We find that notice has already been issued in this case, but the matter has been wrongly listed for motion today. Registry to, therefore, verify and list the matter again after 2 weeks in the appropriate column. Interim order passed earlier to conduct.
Item 3.
May I please, your lordship? Minutes. Here in this case, the petitioners are declared to be foreigners after 71 minors, whereas the reference was made in judgment page 20, relevant page 21. It is pertinent to make mention here that the reference case originally claims that the opposite party is foreigners national between 66 and 71. Whereas the learned tribunal decides the matters beyond his jurisdiction and declares the petitioners to be foreigners of post 71.
So is there any proof that she was born in India in 1960?
Yes, my lords.
What is the proof?
My lord, the petitioner passed petitioner APS HSLC examination in the year 1975, my lord. This is the admit card, my lords.
No, we are asking about proof of birth in Assam, in India. Proof that she was born in Assam.
My lord, his father is the citizen of India, my lord. His name is found in the NRC 5166, and he purchased lands. His father purchased lands 1961. Later on, she.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, already notice has been issued in this case.
Yes, Lordship. So let it come up for hearing, Lordship.
All right, heard Mr. Sarkar and counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. Also heard so and so appearing for the respondents. Full stop. Assailing the order dated 22/6/2018 passed by the learned member, FT, Kokrajar. The petitioner has approached this court inter alia contending that despite there being sufficient evidence to show that the petitioner was born in India prior to 1966, the learned tribunal has failed to take note of such evidence, as a result of which the erroneous order dated 22/6/2018 has been passed. We have noticed that notice has already been issued in this case and the LCR has also been received. After hearing the submission of learned counsel for both the sides, we are of the view that the matter would require detailed hearing. As such, admit this writ petition. Since the parties are already represented, no further notice is required to be sent in this case. Registry to list this matter for hearing by tagging the LCR with the case record in usual course. Interim order passed earlier.
Item 4,
Meche Shankar, petitioner, council on the Meche Shankar. None appears for the petitioner on call so and so are present on behalf of the official respondents. It appears that notice of motion has already been issued in this case, but the matter has been wrongly listed today for motion. In view of the above, registry to list this matter again in the admission column after 4 weeks. Interim order passed earlier to conduct.
item 5,
May it please your lordship. By impugned order at page 34, my lord, the petitioner was declared foreigner, my lord. Her contention was that
Just a minute. Yes, yes.
May it please your lordship. By the next 11, my lord, page 34 is the impugned order by which
Listed for motion today.
my lord, no notice has been issued.
You did not appear earlier.
Appeared, my lord, short time to get the document, original documents, my lord.
Where is the proof that petitioner was born in Assam?
My lord, I have exhibited a document, my lord, the transfer certificate, my lord, at page 14, my lord. The date of birth is shown at 28/4/1970, my lord.
The learned tribunal did not consider this.
Did not, my lord, believe this, my lord. And also, my lord, the 1961 voter list of her father has also been annexed, my lord, that is at page 16, my lord. Saying that it's, my lord, only a computer generated copy, hence cannot be believed, my lord.
Yes,
Notice may go, Lord.
notice may go. All right, heard Mr. P. Singh and counsel for the petitioner. Peruse the amendments made in the writ petition. This writ petition is directed against the order dated. You have not mentioned the date of order in the synopsis.
My lord, 12/12/18, my lord, in the first title. Sorry, my lord. In the synopsis.
2018 passed by the learned member, Foreigners Tribunal -7th, Tejpur, in connection with FT case number 10/2017, declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner of post 1971 state. Mr. Sundri submits that despite producing cogent documentary evidence to show that the petitioner was born in India prior to 1971, the learned member has failed to take cognizance of such document and thereby illegally declared the petitioner to be a foreigner of post 1971 stream. Mr. G. Sharma, learned SC so and so prays for some time to obtain instruction in the matter. NOM 6 weeks since so and so accepted notice on behalf of the NRC is a party, is it?
But
All respondents are represented, you won't be able to say that. Now, respondent number 3 is notice by registered post with AD. Particularly, please, anyone, CGC, Mr. Goswami for respondent number 1, Mr. G. Sharma for respondent number 2, Mr. Talukdar for respondent number, G. Sharma for respondent number 2 and 5, 2, 5 and 6, Mr. Talukdar for respondent number 4, and Mr. R. Ali for respondent number 7. A. Ali for respondent number 7. Call respondent number 3, notice where is the call for the LCR. Any interim prayer you have?
Yes, my lord.
What is the interim prayer?
My lord.
Cannot be deported with a statement. Third, on the prayer of interim relief, having regard to the facts and circumstances of the case, it is hereby directed that until the returnable date, the petitioner shall neither be arrested nor deported from India
Much obliged.
without the leave of this court.
Item 6.
may please the lordship, kindly pass over for time being, lordship. Highly blessed.
Item 7.
I may appeal your sins. In this case, my lord, a father.
Contested matter.
Yes, my
Contested.
So
Notice.
we'll issue notice.
In the meantime, my lord,
In the meantime, what?
may not be arrested, my lord.
All right. You are appearing?
Your lordship, I'm appealing for election commission of appeal. Respondent number 5.
You've given out Mr. Ali or?
No, no, your lordship, few of the matters are marked to him and few of the matters are marked to me.
You have Mr. A. M. Ahmed, learned counsel for the writ petitioner, assailing the order dated 29/1/2024 passed by the learned member, Foreigners Tribunal, number, Foreigners Tribunal, Jorhat, in connection with FT case number is not given.
My lord, page 30.
No, in the prayer portion, there is no FT case number. In the synopsis, there is no FT case number. Mr. A. M. Ahmed prays for one is granted a week's time to file proper synopsis.
A prayer portion is given, my lord, page 9, my lord. In
Case
the
number is
prayer, my
mentioned.
lord, in the prayer application number is JFT
Now,
oblique,
you have mentioned enquiry number. Where is the case number?
Case number is not there.
in case number, my lord, page 9, my lord.
FT case number?
In case number JFT 2037/2006. Where is reflected page 30.
In FT case number JFT 2037/2006, declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner for post 1971 stream. Mr. Ahmed submits that this is a contested matter and the petitioner had adduced sufficient evidence to prove his citizenship. Stop. However, the learned tribunal has failed to appreciate the evidence on record in the correct perspective, thereby leading to the passing of the impugned order dated so and so on erroneous consideration. Mr. G. Sharma, learned pending counsel waits for
2 and 4.
NOM 6 weeks. Since Mr. U.P. Goswami, learned CBC has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 1, Mr. G. Sharma, learned SC Holman FT of Dr. Vasan for respondent numbers And four, Mr. A. Talukdar, Mr. R. Talukdar, Leonard G. Asan for respondent number three. And Miss P. Barwal and Mr. SC ECI for respondent number five. Service of notice upon respondent numbers 1 to 5. Deemed to be completed in this case, extra copy of the writ petition be furnished to the learned department, requisition number, within a week from today, so as to enable them to obtain instruction. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon respondent number 6, registered post with AD within a week from today. Call for the answer. Hard on the prayer of interim relief in regard to the facts and circumstances of the case and its entirety. It is hereby provided that until the returnable date, the petitioner shall neither be arrested nor deported from India.
Item 9.
May I please, Your Lordship, this is a contested matter, Lordship, and order is at page 53. And order passed on 25/1/2021.
So we'll pass similar orders here also.
Yes, Lordship.
You are Mr.
Yeah, Ali, Lordship.
Or Mr. Ali, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, assailing the order dated 25/1/2021 passed by the learned member, Foreigners Tribunal -11, Borpeta, in connection with FT case number 1008/2017. The instant writ petition has been filed. Mr. Ali submits that this is a contested matter. First of all, although the petitioner had deduced sufficient evidence in support of a claim of citizenship, the learned tribunal has failed to appreciate the same in proper perspective, and thus the order dated 25/1/2021 declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner of post 1971 stream, thereby causing serious prejudice to our interest. Full stop. Mr. G. Sharma, learned SC FTI, Home Department and FTI, Government of Assam, raised for some time to obtain instruction. NOM Bagini Cycle, they go 6 weeks for the LCR. Interim relief 80%.
Obliged.
Item 11.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship. Well, this is also a case where decision is given on contest. The impugn order is at page 122, annexure
We say
25.
order dated 24/4/2024. The learned member FT, Bajali at Patsala in connection with FT case number 1437, public 2017. Bagini eke hobo khali har or jagat he's over here. They all will be seen. Yes, interim.
My
relief.
lord. Leave them.
Item 12.
I go to inside here. Public chamber. Yes.
Impugn order is page 48.
Mr. A.M. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, order dated 29/1/2024, passed by the learned member. Member, Foreigners Tribunal, Jorhat, Assam, in connection with JFT, public 1980/206. I think it's your order.
Item 13.
May it pleases the lordship, opinion dated 29/1/24. It's at page 31, lordship. It's a contested matter.
Page Betala, opinion dated, huh? Opinion dated,
29/1/2020.
2024 of the learned member FT Walpara number 4th in connection with FT case number FT bracket G dash 4 bracket close capital M public 441 public 2018. By any cycle number synopsis or sign over. Rest will be the same. This will be his mail.
Much.
Or to ECI and
Item 14.
14 is not this bad.
Yeah. May please, your lordship.
14 is not a FT matter. It's
Lordship, a similar order has passed this honorable court, lordship. Kindly peruse the page number 106 and 111. 106, lordship.
Lordship,
Division was matter, lordship. Relevant page, lordship, 98. And exact 10.
I think Lordship, Deputy Solicitor General should be present in this case. Lordship.
yes, Mr. Goswami. Where are you? What is your instruction?
Ranjit da এতিয়া কথা বেলেগ পটত আছে let it be at 2 Malot and inform Mr. Chaudhary is looking to the Rohingya issues.
Day after tomorrow.
Mal,
You have
day
full
after
instruction. Give him extra copies.
Mal.
Mr.
R. Islam, lordship.
R. Islam, like counsel for the petitioner, submit that the writ petitioner was never declared to be a foreigner coming from the territory of the
14 million.
notwithstanding the same. She has been wrongly detained in the Matia detention center without any authority. Hence this petition. First of Mr. UK Goswami, Learned CBC, appearing for the respondent for one praise for posting this matter again day after tomorrow, that is give the date. So as to enable him to update his action, facilitating disposal of the writ petition at this stage of motion hearing. Prayer allowed. One extra copy of the writ petition be furnished to Mr. Goswami during the course of the day. Is this case for motion again day after tomorrow?
Alright.
Item 15.
My pleasure. In this case, my lords, in the reference, in the reference, my lords, the petitioner's husband's name is given as her father's name.
Contested matter.
Yes, contested.
Same order pass over the score. Opinion dated 10/5/2023, passed by the learned member FT. Fifth. Silchar from Akacha in connection with case number 20 of 2019. Lady of our. Shrimar.
Obliged.
For admission, item 16.
My pleasure, lordship. Good evening, friends. Opinion, my lord, is starting from page 9, my lord. Relevant part, my lord, will find.
See, Mr. Sharma, this is a stopgap bench. We will not go into
Yes, Lordship.
hearing today because you will also need to.
Yes,
Do
Lordship.
you have the instructions? No.
No, Lordship. Lordship, otherwise rule may be issued, Lordship. Matter may be fixed for hearing.
Yes, the father.
Yes, the Learning Council is present on the recognition. So for the opportunity. Here has been received. After perusal of the NCR, we have reviewed that the matter of detailed consideration. The Learned Council for the respondents have also submitted according, are also in agreement with the same proposition. In view of the above issue rule returnable in 6 months. Since the respondents are already approved, no further notice is required to be. All respondents are represented. What about NRC?
NRC, regarding NRC, separate step has to be taken.
Have you taken steps earlier?
NRC was not.
Phase 2 miles.
NRC are not taken. NRC is not a party here, Lord Chief.
NRC is not a party.
It's not a party.
On the respondent, no formal notice. But in this case, extra copy of the petition be furnished to the land council. For the respondents, if not already done, let this matter be listed for hearing in the usual course by taking the LCR. Interim order passed here to continue until further.
I'm deeply obliged.
Item 17.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I am on interim, my lord. I appeared before the concerned authority, my lord. At this stage, matter may be fixed for hearing. My lord.
No, sir.
You Khan on behalf of A. Ahmed.
No, on behalf of business, what is your name?
You Khan.
Are you a counsel in this case?
No, my lord. My senior is
A. Ahmed, like counsel for the petitioner, but we need a also arbitrary somebody.
May I please, Your Honor? My lord, open court of page number 45, my lord. And finding, my lord, of page number 48, para number 10 and 11, my lord.
These are all same.
Yes.
orders. Your name, please?
M. Hussain, my lord.
Heard Mr. M. Hussain, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of the writ petitioner. We have also heard Mr. U.K. Goswami, learned CGC, appearing for the respondent number 1. Mr. G. Sharma, learned standing counsel, Home Department and FT, State of Assam, appearing for the respondent numbers 2 and 4. And Mr. R. Talukdar, learned G. Assam, appearing for respondent number 3. The LCR as called for by this court, has been received. This is a contested matter. After going through the LCR, we are of the opinion that this writ petition will call for detailed hearing. The learned counsel for the respondents are also in agreement with the said proposition. In view of the above, issue rule returnable in 6 weeks. Since the respondents are already represented, no further notice is required to be sent. In this case, extra copies of the writ petition be furnished to the learned departmental counsel, requisite in numbers, if not already done. Registry to list this case by tagging the LCR for final hearing in usual course. Interim order passed earlier to continue until further notice.
Most obliged.
Now similar orders will give, I've given it in detail. So CGSC, Mr. U.K. Goswami, Mr. G. Sharma will be for Home Department and Police SP, Officer in charge, Mr. Talukdar, G. Assam for Deputy Commissioner. যদি ECI থাকে তেতিয়াহলে A Ali নামটো দিব লাগিব A Ali আৰু B বৰুৱা যোন ইয়াতে আহে বাকিখিনি same order এনেকে কৈ থাকে আৰু interim order to continue আৰু
Most obliged.
same order বাৰে বাৰে dictate কৰি নাথাকো
Item 19.
Can you delay on non-appears for the week when the matter is called up? Mr. Sud, are you appearing in this case?
Item 19.
Argu,
Lordship may kindly come to the impugned order, madam. Lordship will find it Annexure J, page 37.
Yes.
Here, my lord, everything is fine, my lord. Altogether, three different
Everything is
signatures.
fine, then we'll dismiss it.
No, my lord, haven't said. Where the learned tribunal has committed error, my lord.
Right.
Lordship may come to paragraph 6, my lord. Page 40, my lord.
Yes.
As many as 3 witnesses have been examined, including the petitioner, my lord. On perusal of the written statement and the affidavit filed by the opposite party as well as the documentary evidence relied upon by her, it is found that the name of the parents of the opposite party appeared in the voter list 54 and 61 at village Dubarpara, so my lord, exhibit A. Thereafter, the opposite party's names appeared in the voter list 1985 for the first time, along with her husband. What has happened, my lord? He was given to marriage in a tender age, my lord. Thereafter, was shifted to another village. And the age of 22, her name appeared first time in the year 1985. Lordship, I have annexed it, my lord. I'm coming to that, my
Where
lord.
is the proof of birth in India?
Yes, my lord.
Where is the proof of birth in India?
What
That
is
the
that?
petitioner was born in India.
Yes, the link certificate, my lord. The link certificate, lordship will find exhibit D, my lord. Exhibit D is the link certificate. There, my lord, the learned tribunal, my lord, wrongly noted the age of the, my lord, petitioner, my lord. It is the age, lordship may kindly see.
What is exhibit D?
Is the
GP certificate.
certificate forwarded by the, my lord, video. My lord, lordship may kindly see where the learned tribunal has committed. My lord, lordship may see second half portion of the paragraph 6, my lord. If it is presumed that the opposite party born in the year 1966, then her age is to be near 60. But in exhibit D, the link certificate where the secretary of so certified that the age of the opposite party is 50. My lord, now, my lord, it is given categorically in the evidence that my age is 60, my lord, not 66, my lord. If your lordship goes through my evidence, I categorically stated.
So, Mr. Bakshi, we are asking you, what is wrong with the observations made by the learned tribunal?
Regarding the age, just because the discrepancy in 5 years of difference is there in the certificate, as well as the evidence which has been taken by the learned tribunal wrongly, my lord.
What is the correct position?
That is there, 1960, my lord. 1960.
So show us the material. Which
Yes, it is in the evidence, my lord. My evidence, lordship may kindly see. Annexure G, page 28. Paragraph 4, my lord. That I am a bona fide citizen of India.
No, affidavit will not do. Where is the documentary evidence? Which exhibit you want to refer to? The LCR is there. Which exhibit you want to refer to?
Lordship, no such, just the link certificate, my lord, and the voter list, my lord. There's a discrepancy of 5 years, my lord.
Yeah, Mr. Sharma, what do you have to say?
Yes, Lordship, there is no infirmity in the order passed by the learned tribunal, Lordship. Lordship, in the cross as well as evidence, as well as documents supply reduced by them, Lordship. In everywhere there are discrepancies in age, Lordship. So, Lordship, tribunal has
Yeah, but the father's name is there in the voters list.
but they had to she has to establish her link with her projected father, Lordship.
No, the certificate by the Gaon Panchayat is there.
But
Gaon police.
but it was not
Exhibit D
provided.
is not Question,
Yeah,
have you challenged exhibit D?
but they have to prove that document, Lordship.
That I have exhibited.
Prove means how?
Lordship,
They have not proved it.
yes, Lordship,
What
in
should
order,
have been done? What should have been done?
in,
According to you, what was required to be done?
Issuing authority Madhya.
Mr. Sharma, are you prepared with the matter?
today I am not prepared, tomorrow, Lordship, I will argue.
So we'll have it next week for admission.
Yes,
Be prepared.
Lordship.
Mr. D. Bakshi, Learned Counsel is present on your bench. Mr. G. Sharma, Learned G. Assam and SCFDI. No, not Learned Standing Council, Home Department, Dr. Vasan and SCFDI. Submits that today he is not prepared to argue the matter and therefore this matter be taken up again after a week. In view of the request made by Mr. Sharma, this matter stands adjourned for a week. Interim order passed earlier to continue.
Item 20.
Mr. Sharma, if you are not prepared, you tell us in the
Yes,
beginning.
Lordship, Lordship,
Otherwise, we'll not grant you time next time.
yes, Lordship.
There is a
Are you
contested.
prepared with this matter?
Lordship, rule may be issued, Lordship, fix it for hearing, Lord.
My lord,
Heard, Mr.
A.W. Aman.
A.W. Aman, counsel appearing for the writ petitioner, peruse the averments made in the writ petition. Also heard submissions made by learned counsel for the respondents. After hearing the learned counsel for the parties, we are of the view that the matter would require detailed consideration. So, as such, this writ petition stands admitted. The respondents are already represented. As such, no further notice is required in this case. The registry to list the matter for hearing by tagging the LCR with the record of this case in usual course. Interim order passed earlier to continue until further order.
Deeply obliged.
Item 21.
May please mention. LCR has come, Lordship. Matter may be fixed for hearing.
Your Miss,
F in this.
not Miss F in touch, counsel for the petitioner, who submits that this is a contested matter and therefore the writ petition would call for detailed hearing. Full stop. The LCR has been received. Full stop. The learned counsel for the respondents have also agreed that the writ petition will require detailed hearing. Full stop. As such, admit the writ petition. Since the respondents are already represented, no further notice is called for in this case. Register to list the writ petition for hearing in usual course by tagging the LCR with the record of the case. Post of interim order passed earlier to continue until further notice.
Time being matter item 6.
May I please, Lordship. My Lord, I have agreed to be by the expert order, my Lord, passed by the IMDT tribunal, my Lord. Page 35, my Lord. Expert order passed on a long back, my Lord, 17/6/1991. My Lord, petitioner was not aware of the death judgment, my Lord. He came to know about when NRC is proceedings is going on, NRC there at that time until 2018, my Lord, he came to know about the pending about this judgment, my Lord. I have explained, my lord, in paragraph 19, 21, 22, my lord. Page 8. Otherwise, my lord, petitioner has all the records, my lord, to prove that he is a
But
citizen of
he
India.
appeared, initially she appeared, you are making a wrong statement perhaps.
My lord,
The second paragraph of the order.
my lord, he once appeared, thereafter he could not appear due to some illness. My lord, that's the information I have got.
But you are saying she was not aware?
Aware, my lord, regarding judgment, my lord, ex parte order, my lord.
Judgment
Ex
is
parte
not the
order.
point. Point is, no, but there are, how many petitioners are here?
3 petitioners are there, my lord. Father, my lord, husband, wife, and son.
Let the records come, Lordship.
Huh? Let the LCA come. But now, there is a recent decision of the Supreme Court.
Lordship,
ready?
Lordship.
Under calm.
Default orders, there is already a order of this court. Since they fail to produce evidence, so they are foreigners. That will not happen. That is not correct. Tribunal will have to record reasons.
Yes, recently.
So all the pending cases are abated, my lord, as per calm, my lord.
What has Ka got to do here?
No, that was not regarding Cal, Lordship, earlier decision.
Earlier.
All right. Heard Mr.
Rohim
President,
Malik.
counsel for the petitioner. Also heard so and so, so and so, so and so appearing for the respondent. The LCR called for by this court is yet to be received. As such, registry to issue reminder for LCR. Let this matter be listed again after 8 weeks, along with appropriate office note. Interim order passed earlier to continue.
Muscle.
Yes. What? You are smiling. Why?
My lord.
Your matter is over.
No.
Then? Which item? Yes, order has been dictated.
Item 20.
Madam, which for hearing, man. So earlier notice was issued and
Mr. S. Nath, Learned Counsel has appeared for the petitioner. So and so are present on behalf of the respondent. LCR is called for by this court has been received. It is submitted at the bar that the petition be admitted and posted for final hearing. In view of the above, the read petition stands admitted. Since the parties are already represented, no further notice is called for in this case. Register to list the matter for final hearing in due course by taking the LCR. Interim order passed earlier to continue.
obliged.
Item 23.
And appears for the petitioner on call. So and so are present on behalf of the official respondent. LCR is called for by this court has been received. However, since the petitioner's counsel is absent today, this matter stands admitted for 4 weeks. List accordingly, stop. Interim order passed earlier to continue. At further orders.
Item 24.
May I have the lordship? Lordship, LCR has received lordship. LCR has received lordship, matter fixed for hearing.
Mr. So and so
Yes, it's now.
is present on the petition. Baki admit quickly. About the orders, LCR received admit. Interim order to continue.
Much obliged.
Item 25.
May I please, Your Honor? Petitioner in interim bail member.
So you want disposal now or final hearing,
No.
Mr. Sharma?
Lordship, let it come up for hearing. Lordship.
Hearing. Same, Mr. Ediatia, so. Baki LCR received admit interim order to continue.
Interim order passed.
Yes.
Obliged.
Item 26.
May please, lordship. LCR has been received, my lord. LCR received.
Yes. What do you want, Mr. Sharma?
Yes, Lordship. Hearing.
Mr. HR,
Ahmed.
Ahmed Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Baki admit hearing and interim order passed.
Obliged, my lord.
You have understood, no? The problem tonight, the order is left.
Item 27.
Rule may be issued and may be fixed for hearing, my lord.
Mr. A. Matlib. Baki admit interim order.
Interim order may be continuous.
Item 28.
Your name, please?
R Shah lordship.
R.
Shah.
R. Shah. Same order.
And
interim
sir,
order.
Item 29.
May I please? My lord, LCR receipt, my lord, interim order is there. Let it be, my lord, posted for hearing. My lord, another item, my lord, I am extremely sorry, my lord, item number 4 I have missed, my lord. Obliged.
You have missed, the item has also missed you. Whenever it comes.
Item 30.
None appears for the petitioner. The Learned Counsel for the respondents namely so and so, so and so, so and so are present. NCR as called for has been received. However, since the petitioner's counsel is absent today, this matter stands adjourned for 6 weeks. Interim order passed earlier to continue.
Item 31.
I got to same order, petition, none appears for the petition. Same order, interim order. Interim order is
32.
the order, none appears, interim order.
Item 33.
May I please, your lordship?
Mr. F.U. Borbuya, same order. Agar.
Interim is that may be continued. lordship. Obliged.
This for hearing admit. Interim order.
Item 34.
My lordship.
Admit. Item 34, Mr. B.P. Sinha, same order, admit. List for hearing, interim order to continue.
Item 35.
My lord, LCR has been received, my lord. And petitioner is on interim.
Mr. Your name, please?
KM Hassan.
KM, yeah, Mr. KM.
Hassan, I am on behalf of KL Hopper, my lord.
No, you are not there in this case.
My lord. On
You are
behalf
not-
of
Are you our counsel in this case?
35, my lord.
No.
My lord, I am on behalf of KL Hopper, my lord.
Not record your name. You are not a
My
counsel.
lordship.
On the request of, on the request made on behalf of learned counsel for the, on the request made on behalf of the petitioner on the ground that the learned counsel engaged in this case is unavailable. This matter stands passed over for 2 weeks. List accordingly, interim order passed earlier to continue.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 36.
May I please, your lordship? In this case, LCR is received, my lord.
You are Mr.
S.I. Talukdar.
Mr. S.I. Talukdar, learned counsel is present on behalf of the petitioner and submits that this is a contested matter and therefore the petition will require detailed hearing. Also heard Mr. If serially you appear and Mr. U.K. Goswami, landed CBC appearing for the Union of India. Mr. R. Hani, landed SCBCI. Mr. A. Talukdar, landed GA. Assam, and Mr. G. Sharma, landed Standing Council, Home Department, Government of Assam and FTI, who are also in agreement with the said submission of the petitioner's counsel. The LCR has been received as such. The read petition is hereby admitted since the parties are already represented. No further notice is called for in this case. Register to list the read petition by tagging the LCR for final hearing in the usual course. Interim order passed earlier to continue.
Hello.
Item 37. 37.
None appears for the read petition and call. Mr. So-and-so, so-and-so, so-and-so for the official respondents at present. The LCR as called for by this court has also been received. However, since the petitioner's counsel is absent today, this matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks. List accordingly. Interim order passed earlier to continue.
Item 39.
Well, here, my lord, we are filing the affidavit today, my lord. I have received the copy. I have already given the copy for filing, my lord. Person to lordship's last order. We are filing the affidavit today, my lord. I have already given the copy, my lord.
What is this matter about?
Well, here petitioner alleges some, basically he prays for compensation, my lord.
So this is not a FT matter.
No, it's not a FT matter. It's not a FT. We earlier we filed the affidavit, but some records have come, case diaries and other records have come. Lordship has directed us to bring those on record by filing an affidavit. Well, that affidavit is ready. Lordship may give us some time.
How much time?
So today we are filing, my lord. I have already given the copy.
So I heard Mr. I.H. Sekar and counsel appearing for the petitioner. Mr. D. Nath, learned senior government advocate appearing for the state of Assam submits that all records have been received in his office and a further affidavit as required by this court is in the process of being filed today during the course of the day by serving advance copy upon the petitioner's counsel. As in the next week. In view of this matter again in the next week by tagging the additional affidavit with the record of this case. In the meantime, the petitioner's counsel may examine the affidavit and obtain necessary instruction. Item 40, you are appearing.
Yes, my lord.
This has already been admitted.
Admitted.
This is what FT matter.
FT matter.
LCR has come.
LCR, my lord, not received, my lord.
Mr. I. Sekar and counsel for the petition also heard so and so, so and so, so and so. His writ petition has already been admitted by order dated 24/4/2024. However, it appears that the LCR has not been called for.
27.
It appears that the LCR as called for by this court is yet to be received by the registry of this court. In view of the above, let reminder be issued for the LCR. List this case after receipt of LCR or after 8 weeks with appropriate office note, whichever is earlier. Interim order is there?
Yes, madam.
Interim order passed earlier to continue.
Okay.
Item 41.
I am appearing for response number 4, my lord. During the course of the day, we are filing the affidavit. Yes, lord.
Heard Mr.
N. Kalida.
Counsel appearing for the lead petitioner. Mr. F. Bhattakur, learned counsel for the response number 4 submits that affidavit on behalf of his client will be brought on record during the course of the day by serving advance copy upon the petitioner's counsel. As such, a request has been made to pass over the matter for the day. Mr. P.
Responding number 7.
Is present on behalf of the respondent number 7, whereas Mr. A. Talukdar and G. Hassan is present on behalf of numbers 5 and 6. In view of the request made by Mr. Bhattakur, let this matter be listed again after a week by tagging the affidavit, if any, filed by the respondent number 4.
Obliged.
Record of this.
Item 42.
Last year, isn't it?
Yes, what is this matter?
Well, here a person, he died, my lord, while in jail, my lord. Now we have filed affidavit, detailed affidavit we have filed. Subsequently, we have also filed, my lord, they alleged that the doctor has advised to bring him, to take him to Assam Medical College from Dhemaji, no? From Dhemaji, my lord, but he was not taken up. In fact, we have filed an affidavit, Malad, stating that the health condition was not good, and the doctors, all the materials we have placed, Malad, he was not in a position. His health condition was not in such a condition, Malad, to transfer him to AMCH.
But who is the counsel for the petitioner? He has not appeared in last 3 occasions.
Yes, Malad.
We'll then engage the amicus then. Because this is a custodial Article 21. None appears for the read petitioner when the matter is called up. We find from the record that the petitioner's counsel was absent on 3 consecutive occasions in the past. Mr. D. Nath Lanet, senior government advocate Assam, appearing for the state, submits that affidavit on behalf of the state has already been filed, narrating the circumstances under which the deceased had suffered death, by contending that the state would have no liability in the matter. Ordinarily, due to persistent absence of the petitioner's counsel, this court would have considered dismissing the writ petition for default. However, since it is a sensitive issue of custodial death, wherein an element of right envisaged under Article 21 of the Constitution of India might be involved. Hence, instead of dismissing the writ petition, we deem it appropriate to pursue the same. We deem it appropriate to hear the matter on merit with the assistance of an amicus curiae. The registry is therefore directed to engage an amicus curiae from the panel prepared by this court so as to represent the petitioner. Necessary case papers be furnished to the amicus curiae so engaged. Let this writ petition be listed again after 3 weeks, after 4 weeks, by reflecting the name of the amicus curiae in the cause list. Consequently, the names of the engaged counsel by the writ petitioner shall stand deleted from the cause list in future dates. Next week. In future dates of listing.
Item 44.
May I please, Your Lordship? This is a matter of ex parte, Lordship. Ex parte, I have been declared for Lordship.
Yes, where is the order?
Order is at page, Lordship, 20, starts from 28, Lordship.
What has happened? You have received notice.
I have received notice, Lordship. I have sought for time for filing written statement on 6 or 7 occasion, Lordship. On 6 or 7 occasion, I have sought for adjournment. On last occasion, on 19/9/2019, Lordship, matter was proceeded for ex parte, Lordship. On the next date, I have been declared foreigner, Lordship. Ex parte, Lordship.
Correct, but then why did you not file a written statement?
One important document was not available, Lordship. That's why that is important because that is that source link with my brother and where my father's name is also there, Lordship. Land documents, Lordship. That's very important documents, Lordship. And that I received that document after the matter was proceeded ex parte, Lordship.
Yeah, Mr. Sharma, what do you have to say?
Now I am, Lordship, ready to approach, Lordship. If your Lordship allow, Lordship.
I'll have somehow misplaced, Lordship. Just to me, Lordship. Lordship, impugn order was passed in the year 2019, Lordship. 16/10/2019. After that, Lordship, after a lapse of 5 years, Lordship, they have filed this writ petition, Lordship.
Oh, that's right. This is not a
So, Lordship, let it come up for hearing, Lordship.
No, we'll give him 30 days time to
Lordship.
file written statement. And if he fails, the order will stand recorded.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Deeply.
Mr. Z. Abbas, counsel appearing for the writ petition. Also heard so appearing for. Give the names of the respondents. This writ petition has been preferred against the opinion dated 16/10, ex parte opinion dated 16/10/2019, rendered by the learned member, Foreigners Tribunal 10th, Borpeta, in connection with FT case number 307, public 2017, whereby the petitioner was declared to be a foreigner due to his failure to establish his citizenship claim. It appears that notice in connection with the proceeding was duly served upon the petitioner. Notwithstanding the same, thereafter, he had sought time before the learned tribunal on at least 6 occasions to file written statement, but failed to do so. Consequently, the learned tribunal had fixed the matter for ex parte disposal, and thereafter, by the impugned order dated 16/10/2019, declared the petitioner to be a foreigner. Full stop. Mr. Abbas submits that the petitioner could not submit his written statement due to want of certain vital documents which the petitioner could collect only on subsequent date. According to Mr. Abbas, the aforesaid document would be sufficient to establish the claim of citizenship of the petitioner, and therefore, if an opportunity is not granted to the petitioner, file written statement and contest the matter and contest the proceeding, the same would result into serious prejudice the interest of the petitioner. Stop. After going through the record, we find that the learned tribunal had granted opportunity to the petitioner to appear and file his written statement. First of all, notwithstanding the same, the petitioner had failed to file written statement, thereby leading to the impugned opinion dated 16/10/2019. First of all, viewed from that angle, we cannot find fault with the learned tribunal in passing the order dated 16/10/2019. First of all, however, what is to be borne in mind that claim of citizenship is a very serious matter, and unless there are compelling reasons, an order declaring person to be foreigner ought not to be allowed to sustain merely on default on the part of the proceeding to contest the matter. Therefore, although we do not find any fault with the approach of the learned foreigners tribunal in the matter, yet considering the seriousness of the issue and the consequences that may ensue upon the petitioner due to the impugned opinion, we are inclined to grant one last opportunity to the petitioner to establish his citizenship claim before the learned tribunal. First of facilitating the above, we set aside the impugned opinion dated 16/10/2019. First up, the petitioner is directed to appear before the learned tribunal within 30 days from today, along with his written statement, complete in all regards, including filing of supporting documents, along with a certified copy of this order. First up. Thereafter, subject to compliance of this order, the written statement filed by the petitioner may be taken on record in the original case, and the reference case be decided afresh on merit. First up, it is, however, made clear that if the petitioner fails to comply with our order and file his written statement along with all supporting documents within 30 days from today, this order shall stand automatically revoked, in which event the opinion dated so-and-so 19/10/2019 shall revive with all consequences. With the above observation, this writ petition stands disposed of. Registry to send back the LCR as expeditiously as possible.
Deeply obliged, Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
For orders, item 45.
Maybe lordship kindly pass over the matter. Lordship.
What review petition? Pass over, then what do we do?
Lordship, in this,
We
in this
will
week,
decide
lordship,
this matter right now. You are. Which order? You are seeking review of which order?
lordship,
You want review of which order?
uh,
None appears for the petitioner when the review petition is called up. Mr. G. Sharma, Learned Government Advocate Assam, and Mr. U.K. Goswami, Learned G. Assam. It's a foreigner matter.
Yes, Lordship.
So the petitioner are present on behalf of the official respondent. Since the petitioner counsel is absent today, this matter stands adjourned for 4 weeks. You are not even ready with the matter. Huh?
Lordship, I'm sorry, Lordship, that item number 8, Lordship, wrongly mentioned after 2 weeks, Lordship. Can it be there after 2 more, Lordship? Motion matter, Lordship.
We are also sorry. Once order is passed, is passed. Yes.
Ratul Talukdar.